Hi, it's I, the elusive Ginger for Trauma Unicorn Productions. And we got Joester right here. We got Black Stripes.
God, Black Stripes.
And none other than, who's off camera at the moment, than Trauma Unicorn's own product. Well, the man, the myth, the legend, Tars22 as he
You didn't
stumbles.
start already.
Yes. Okay.
Why didn't you bring the 1,000
Okay.
more?
And this time when we drink, we're gonna go Viking style and say
find them?
skull. Okay?
No, I moved them and I couldn't find them.
Skull.
I cleaned.
Skull?
Skull.
Don't know where I put them.
Skull?
Yeah, that's what the Vikings say when they drink it.
This is energy
Skull.
drink taste test
Skull.
part dos. Except
Dos!
we're starting off with a non-energy drink. It's a Stewart's
Yeah.
Stewart's
cherries and cream.
This sounds delicious.
Yeah.
Cherries and cream, laddies.
Lick up the gods.
Is it that elixir of the gods thing? I smell the cherry.
I bet you do.
It
Alright.
smells gorgeous, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, hood.
Thumbs up.
I think we're gonna just go from buttward. Yo, bonsai to.
Nom, 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 nom.
That is good.
Salute.
That's good, yeah.
Harmons. And now we're gonna do the non-monster, non-rockstar ones because I have a lot of monster and a lot of rockstar.
I don't know.
First one we're starting off with is Bang Star Blast.
Star Blast.
Star Lord, this one goes out to you for dying in Infinity War.
Although you deserved it. A little bit. Stupid ass.
Can I punch Jeffrey in the dick real quick?
No.
No, let's be a little bit
Not
more.
unless you want to think
It'll stay on
Hey,
YouTube
Joester,
forever.
can you make sure?
Yeah, the mic's on, I checked.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
You
Yeah.
realize I'm not like that.
Oh, I can smell that.
Bottoms up.
Drink up, me lotties, your hall.
Oh.
Oh, that's delicious.
Woohoo! That has a kick to it.
Ooh.
Ooh, interesting.
We might have to go afterwards. We're like, we need to burn off energy. Let's run.
Run! Run! Barry, run!
You feel like bang bang after that?
Okay, hey, who would win in a race? Barry Allen
Are you after?
or Forrest Gump?
I think
Forrest Gump.
you after 100 cups of energy drinks.
Now, one I've been looking forward to, Gas Monkey Light.
Oh, Joe.
They were both trying to win until Saitama just speeded right past them. Said, hey.
I'll eliminate all of my enemies, including those hard buffers.
Let's see now.
Man,
Actually, it looks like gas.
right?
It almost smells like banana.
Interesting.
Bottoms
Ah,
up.
yeah, you're right.
Ooh, interesting.
Ooh, it does.
That has a funny taste. What was this supposed to be?
Woohoo!
Monkey gas?
Gas
Yay.
Monkey Energy Drink Light.
This sounds like something Captain America would take to get drunk.
Come on, Blondie. Neither was Omaha Beach. Come on, Blondie.
1,000-year-old brew. It's far too much.
Gas Monkey Energy Regular.
So this is the regular. What was that one?
Light.
That was the light.
So this is stronger.
Yes, people. They're real. Well, they're with any video. They're showing.
Well, it's yellow. It looks like, yeah. Yeah.
Skull.
Back the way the buzz.
It
It,
still
almost,
smells like bananas.
it looks like a beer, though.
It
The way
does.
the
Yeah, it looks
buzz-
like
No, it looks no.
It looks
no.
like piss.
No, it looks like gas.
It does.
Bottoms up. There you go.
Slightly better than the light version.
Whatever the hell.
I say slightly better because it's not as...
It's a bit
still-
strange. but-
Smells like bananas.
It
Smells
does.
like banana.
Looks like gas.
Smells like citrus. It does something citrus.
It is very interesting.
Yeah. That was.
Now, the one that we've all been dreading because we know how organic energy drinks taste.
Oh, you acquired some of that.
Please, I cannot drink any more of those ginger ales or whatever. What is that one that was like? It was like color of like water, but it was like very bad taste.
That was Runa
What?
or something.
Alright. Alright, people, as you see,
What?
I am showing
Oh,
you
interesting.
what this
It smells
stuff.
citrusy or
Yeah,
something.
yeah. It smells like one of those, like in the garden, like you're in the garden.
Are we-
Bottoms up.
It's white. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ah! Time to go.
There's
Fuck organic energy. Fuck organic energy. That's all I'm
It
saying.
tastes. Yeah. What? And I said it right. The last time we drank something that clear was horrible. Okay.
You mean the room is?
These are not from Lolly Pops, but this is a Lolly Pops bag.
I don't think they could see it from that angle.
I feel like everybody's cold.
Ultra Sunrise.
I got
So
nipples.
what? It's gonna taste like orange?
Unknown.
Ah!
Unknown?
Hold on, I'm just putting.
Hey, Puddin'.
Hey, pudding.
Again,
In fact, if you keep doing that noise, eventually
got
I
a
want
yellow look to it. Actually, it smells like citrus, almost like a pineapple citrus.
Yeah. I like the smell.
Mm.
Bonsai!
That's good.
Oh, that's good.
Mm.
What do you want?
Nice little lemonade.
Ultra Sunrise.
That's definitely an orange.
Monster. Ultra Red. I will hurt you.
Sometimes I feel like a monster. Well, it's certainly red. Looks like a cherry red.
Looks like a pink.
Cherry-ish.
Let's see. It's pink, right?
It smells a little bit like cherry.
Yeah, it smells cherry, right?
Oh.
Bottles up.
Ugh. That one's good.
That's
I like that
refreshing.
one.
That's
Eventually, I'm gonna not gonna able to taste anything.
Well, you
There's
gotta
so much
realize
strong
after
stuff
this,
in my mouth.
That's refreshing.
After this, we're gonna need to go for a run.
we gotta burn off this energy. Because the sad thing, Joey and I have to work tomorrow, and we can't be up until like 2 or 1 just from this little thing going.
Man,
Insert rabbit.
it's morphin' time.
Go Power Rangers!
Ultra Paradise.
Ultra paradise.
It squirted all over my hand.
Ew.
He was happy to
It
see you.
squirted,
Yes, okay.
just like the spraying cat.
Why is it clear again? What is it? with
It's
you?
not clear. It's got a slight green
green
tint
It's got a
to it.
tint of
Like
green
Alright,
to it.
great. If I turn to the home,
Smells like melon. What
Whoa.
is that? Kind of a
that
melon
actually it
smell.
smells like orange apple.
Hmm.
No, not orange
It's
apple.
kinda like a green apple melon.
It's giving me that melon.
Melon, definitely tasting a melon.
Not a good melon, but a melon.
Yeah, they're not bad.
That's not bad.
It's citrusy.
Okay. This is a new one.
We've had worse drinks.
7-Eleven Full Throttle Energy Drink Original.
Full throttle. Boom.
Full throttle.
Oh, did you guys see that they're making another Transformers movie after 6? It's a sequel to 6.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
So the whole Unicron thing.
Yeah.
Oh really?
And also they said they're gonna add more Michael Bay things.
That'll
in
be a
the
little on the
Bumblebee.
What the
strict.
hell?
Yeah, I know.
Can we get permission? Let's write a petition to set that movie. I'm
Citrusy.
sorry.
Very
But
citrusy.
Bumblebee is. I'm sorry. Once a reboot is said to be happen,
Mm-hmm.
you
I
no
don't like
more.
That's a thumbs down for me.
It's pretty strong.
That's a hardcore thumbs down for me.
It's very strong.
Energy drink.
What is that aftertaste?
Pussy.
It's up my nose. Oh.
Horse piss, yes. No, it's horse cum.
How do you swallow that?
It's too gelatinous to swallow.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Nos Rowdy Punch.
Oh! This
Nah,
relaxing.
So now we Rasu. Oh look, it's
You know
all,
that
it's
the
all
show
red.
BoJack Horseman?
It's red.
I'm just wondering. Is his dick also the size of a horse?
Oh,
What?
That's a strong.
And I'm just
smell.
saying. Then when he has sex with an owl, you are basically impaling her.
Oh my god.
You know what they say about ripping pigeons in half?
That's a
No.
strong,
At least the one I fucked did.
Oh, the other way.
That's a very strong scent.
Interesting.
Ugh!
Mm.
That one's good. That one's.
You know, we have to try shot.
That's a good cherry.
Guys need to get some apple.
That's good.
I'm sorry, Mike, but
That's a rock star.
we're not gonna party like a rock star.
No, we're doing the monsters first, and then we're gonna be doing the rock stars.
And
Monster
I
juice.
wanna be a big rock star.
This one's supposed to taste like juice.
It's not gonna taste like juice.
What kind of juice? Looks orangey.
Looks peachy.
Yeah, you're right. It does have a darker kind of an
What was the
orange,
monster?
like a peach, like a reddish orange. So it's kind of a peach. Actually, it smells more like a mango.
Bottoms up, my laddies.
Nope.
It's okay.
Nectar.
Oh my
It tastes
god.
like orange piss.
It's a bit of a. It's nectar.
Okay, yeah. I like the aftertaste. I don't like the first
if
taste, but I like
oranges
the
could
aftertaste.
piss, that would be it.
Realize, people, if you're like going, why are the things? We're recording at my place, or the place I live at.
And my tripod broke.
Oh.
Yeah.
So.
Monster juice again.
Oh, I think I've tried that flavor. It is very good. I think.
That's
I
pretty
remember.
yellow. It's. Oh, that smells like a. Wow.
Oh,
There's
sorry if I.
I
You
will
better
hurt you.
feel that. You better feel that.
In here.
Mm.
That
Okay.
is strong.
I get a
I'll
pineapple
send you.
fill from this.
Oh dear Lord.
Ugh.
Ah.
I don't like the flavor.
Nope.
Pineapple
Pine,
nectarish.
yeah,
It
there's,
tasted like I ate a lot of food and then I vomited.
Like a plum. It's like a
like
pineapple
when
nectar
you have
plum.
too much of like
Yeah.
Skittles or something, and you're like,
Exactly.
It's okay.
Have
It's
you
one.
tasted
It's not
the
my
rainbow
first
one
choice
too
of
many
it.
times?
It's okay. It's just not. It's not what I would go straight to. Ugh.
Monster Rehab. Peach
Oh,
tea.
good. We need some rehabilitation.
Hey, wait a minute. Did we try this?
Not the rehab. We tried the Monster Peach tea. This is Monster Rehab Peach tea.
So it's supposed to be a peach? Kind of looks peachy. Yes, it looks peachy with a dark, like an almost black, like a black leaf, tea thing.
Alright, sorry people if I'm not always
That
in rank.
smell
But
is
Deegan,
not
you saw
very
my great
strong.
face.
Smells pretty weak.
I don't like it. I don't like
Lightly
tea.
mild. Actually, it reminds me of botanical water because it's really got that mildish
Yeah.
sort of a.
It's not bad.
It's got a little flavor
It's
though.
fine.
It's okay.
Does that-
Whatever.
How many of those do you have there?
We're not opening that one. That one's Monster Rehab Peach tea.
Okay.
You
The
got
same
two?
thing.
What?
Monster Rehab Raspberry tea.
I feel like it's gonna be the
More
same thing.
botanical
But
water with raspberry.
Why is the raspberries? Oh, go Mike.
Why is the rum gone?
There's a raspberry for you.
Look at it.
Again, the smell is pretty weak. It's probably botanical water tea-ish kind of a thing.
People, please give us a thing to punish Black Stripes for messing
Give us
with us.
ideas. This guy, yeah.
Who knows? Maybe we'll make them wear high heel.
There's a slight
Yeah, we'll have you wear
raspberry.
high heels. At
There's a
Nope.
mild, slight raspberry taste to this.
yeah,
but-
it's not strong. It's not.
well, most tea
There's a
drinks aren't
sink right
very
on it.
strong.
I use the bathroom sink.
Yeah,
Botanical
my
water.
sister will get that after me.
Yes. Yes.
Oh my god!
You keep buying duplicate.
Which one was this?
Peach tea! I bought 3 peach teas apparently.
You really must.
That's-
Original Monster Energy.
The original is good. The original I like it.
There's the
It
original.
tastes a little bit like banana.
People, I will
And look,
remind you, if you're doing this,
It's
don't do
oozing
all.
with energy.
We're doing small shots of this.
And I'm already got.
That was weird.
So this is
Right.
what
Alright, this is the last one.
bun
No.
bun hey.
Bunkai.
Or it's actually
Okay,
supposed to be
don't clink with me
That
then.
is strong smell.
Yes.
Mmm.
Oh my god.
classic energy drink.
Monster. That's the good taste of
Uh-oh.
taurine.
We have another juice.
Zeus.
It's a juice, my dear friends. A juice.
Mr. J.
Mr. Oh my God, Mr. J.
Oh my God, this
Look how
is
red
like
that is.
dark red.
It smells like a strong cherry. What is
Interesting.
that?
Yeah.
That smells very strong.
Not bad.
Not bad. Reminds me of the fruit punch type stuff.
Yeah.
It is.
Fruit punch.
That's a fruit punch kind of a.
That's a
That's good.
spicy meatball.
Wow, that's delicious.
Ginger is
I'm
becoming.
drinking your milkshake.
Monster Energy Gronk.
What?
Gronk is
What's
the
Gronk?
it's the
Gronk.
Gronk.
Gronk needs more shake.
Gronk don't like. Gronk will snap.
Alexa. Oh no.
Now I'm only giving each of us a little bit because I don't want us to have heart attacks.
And also pee through our vaginas.
We learned more about Jeffrey today than we ever knew.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank God it's only a small shot. Yeah.
That's very strong flavor.
Not liking that aftertaste, folks.
It's almost like there is. I don't know.
Oh, I'm feeling
That's
too
not
much.
lemon. What is that?
Oh, that's not going well.
This one's for Jeffrey.
Why?
Ooh, like that. Look at that. That's
Ultra
nice.
Black.
Oh, I see.
You wanna know why I pulled you over? Because what?
Yes.
Because
Get out of here,
No,
stupid.
no. Because I let you.
Oh, look, well, it looks kind of grapish.
Why'd you
It's
pull
like
over?
grape.
Because, of course, it's grape. Why
Oh,
wouldn't it
wow.
be grape?
Interesting.
Oh, trust me. I'm not gonna be burping here. I can feel it trying to escape the other side.
Well, then you should burp.
I can't. It's not coming up that
lads, tear!
Ooh.
way. Ah! Hoorah!
That's a very strong.
Uh,
I had no other activities on my health for the energy. But...
0 sugar, 0 calories, and 0 carbohydrates.
Whoa.
The ginger.
Realize, I'm diabetic. These guys now get to see what my world consists of.
The ginger soda. This isn't ginger flavored. It's just 0 calories.
0 carbs.
0 ultra.
I like that spiced ginger you
Oh
had.
my!
Do you have any more of that? It's really delicious.
I think I have one more
Really?
in my fridge.
oh,
Good.
why are you getting the clear ones? We all know.
It turned yours purple.
It's like a clear.
No, it's white.
Look, it's like a clear purple. Oh,
It's a clear purple because
it
it makes
almost
with
looks
the
like a
last one.
cocktail the way it's slightly colored.
Oh, this is gonna be.
Because we do have residue from the
Actually, I want to see you
This
guys
has
drink this
an
first.
interesting.
It's actually not bad. I would have more. If we didn't have more to try.
That's good.
Not bad.
Mm.
It's not because we mixed with the purple thing.
Alright, gentlemen, we're gonna go swim a couple laps on the river.
Left or right? Because they're both
I'm
purple.
a lefty, so
Left
left.
or right? Okay, so we have
Are
one
you
left.
I'm a lefty.
Okay, right. We
See?
have left and right. You're the tiebreaker. Left or right?
See?
Left or right?
What's going
Left
on?
or right? Left or right? Left or right?
Yes.
Left or right? Left.
Ultraviolet.
So more.
Also a good
Great.
movie.
Also.
Alright, everyone, snap.
Ooh, that's very dark purple.
No. Remember, it's ultraviolet too.
Alright, mates. Drink up, me hearties.
What the?
That's good. It's like
Hoorah!
grape juice.
That's good.
Another one?
No, this one's called grape. That one, oh, this is a rock star. We're
That-
moving on to rock stars, my friends.
I'm pretty sure that's the last one. That's the same one.
So what we got?
These
no-
are all monsters. All the monsters are finished.
Holy crap!
I feel like I'm going
we
crazy.
got Monster, a Bang, 2 Gas Monkey, and an organic rock
If I had
star.
things to cover up these, I'd be like, hey, I'll take these to whack. No.
Yeah.
Rockstar Pure Zero. Punisher.
Pure zero.
Punisher Warzone.
Punisher, huh? So what you're saying is, when the back is exposed,
Yes, people,
You
the
don't
ginger
even
is
feel it.
starting to become
Wait a second.
hyperactive.
Who's taller here?
Well, I am not scientist.
Yeah. You're the tallest.
I'm 6'2".
I think he's slightly
No,
taller.
the saddest is the bald. It's like, and then we got full heads of hair. Drink up, man.
You're all good.
I already drank it.
Okay.
I didn't much like it. It's personal.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
I'd like to see years from now and see who's gonna have still hair. Who's gonna still have hair for now?
Silver
like 20 years
ice,
from now.
pure zero.
Well, I may find a way to regrow it.
Regrow it?
Yeah, I'm actually taking meds, and my hair is coming back.
And
Oh, good.
And supposedly a byproduct of that is it'll start growing a beard.
Yeah, I'll start growing a fuller beard, and my barber is helping me out with that as well.
Good.
Oh, and your mom's gonna take me to your barber.
Yes, sir.
Oh, really?
This is silver ice.
It's interesting when you see current.
Well,
No!
it
No!
kinda,
I
look
don't
at
like
that.
the white
It does
stuff.
kind of look like a silver ice.
It looks like cum.
Actually, it smells.
Ignore
Like
it.
you drink too much water.
It
and
almost
smells like cum.
It almost smells
Ah!
like that citrus.
Oh! Oh, no.
Bottoms up.
Yeah, drink the cum boy.
Oh yeah.
Not
kinda,
bad.
It kind of tastes like that
Yeah.
Mountain
Would
Dew.
not have another.
You know,
Well,
you know
then
that
again,
Mountain
you
Dew
guys
Light
gotta
thing?
realize-
Actually, if I was
Technically,
sore, I was
like-
gonna break this.
You remember
The
that
cool
Mountain Dew
thing
Light
is saying you
thing?
should
It
not
kinda tastes
ever
like that.
have an energy drink, but by this point in time, I think we've had where our bodies are like, we don't give a crap. It's just,
There you go.
let's try not to be like America and overexert and say, ow, boss, I know that!
Right.
That's all he gets.
That's got a strong smell. What is
Some-
that?
Grape.
Oh, it
That's
smells
great.
like grape.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Dear God, that's strong.
Oh I'm Groot. Lemonade.
Finally,
Mm.
some alternate citrus.
Sha-la-la-la-la-may. You want to slap the taft?
You want to slap the tap for Ray?
Zing!
Or lemonade.
God damn it.
Napa.
Smells like it smells like lemonade. Did you already?
Yeah, lemonade.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I think
Good.
if it has to be lemonade, I have to go with Crystal Light.
That's not bad.
Same.
Or the, what's that
It's not
one?
too
Let's
strong.
do-
It's just mildly
What's the one that
sweet.
they sell
It's
in the
good.
shows, I think,
That's
basically powdered lemonade, not the...
That's not bad.
Okay.
Oh, Country Time. That's the other.
After
Yeah,
this,
something
okay.
like
After
that.
this, I need
Yeah,
I
latte?
need to go to a lap dance. Yes.
Original.
Yeah, because I need to take out the friction.
Original Rockstar. The OG Rockstar.
Ooh.
It's the waitress of dice.
Are you gonna be like crankshaft? Like
Yes. That looks
Realize-
like piss.
Realize the more you mess with me, the more I'm gonna give you.
Oh, God.
Hey, I'm not
I
the
will be right
girlfriend.
oh, that's got quite the scent. Very citrusy.
You better not. You son of a...
Because you messed with me when I was trying to give it to Joey. Oh, trust me, I gave it to Joey even. I gave it to Joey even more at my place, so don't worry about it.
You know how that
That's
sounds, right?
good.
Bottoms up, laddies.
Ah.
Oh! Oh!
Wow.
Hoorah! Yes! I'm not. I can't. Oh, the aftertaste.
Yeah.
The aftertaste mixed with all those other ones.
I can feel everything mixed. My dad is angry with me. They're like,
I
what the
have
hell's wrong with this
demonetization
energy,
in
boy?
my stomach.
You got a war going on in there.
Oh, my,
Yes, I do.
my ants. Come back.
You have to drink
Oh.
that, man.
Hey, what's going
And because it took too long,
We
you have
have
to drink it.
demonetization
Wait,
in
did
my
your
stomach.
aunt know that there was gonna be people?
Oh. Ah, ah.
That's original
You
Rockstar.
got this war going on in your tummy.
Last one. Tangerine, mango, guava, strawberry.
Last
Pure
one.
zero.
6,
What's
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Realize we didn't open these two, so don't count these two.
So we have 23 energy drinks. we drank
24.
so far.
This is the last one. Tangerine, mango, guava,
Oh, this
strawberry.
is exhausting. Oh my god. I'm sweating.
It sounds with guava. Tangerine.
Guava?
It looks pink.
Mango.
I can smell it. I can smell the guava.
You know that guava is actually bad shit, right?
It's actually a natural
Oh,
form
it's
of
guano
caffeine.
actually.
Bottoms up.
Mm-mm.
Actually, not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
It's weird.
Alright.
Hey, now it's time for the cocktail, okay?
Where?
Now it's time for the cocktail.
I want more.
So I'm gonna put a little bit of the purple stuff.
Here.
You're gonna make
You try one
Then
little bit of everything.
I'm
You're
gonna-
gonna make a cox up.
Hell no. And then I'm
Just
gonna
hands in the
put.
organic one.
Ooh, okay, this one's
Alright,
interesting.
guys, do tend to bring the volume a wee bit down.
Yes, sir.
And then I'm gonna mix it with
What do we got here? This is
the original Rockstar. Yeah, sure.
Oh, no wonder why it was pink. It was strawberry.
Okay.
Now, what do we got here?
All right.
I want something purple. What's
Let's
this?
see how it goes. I mixed basically
That's
3 ones at random. I didn't exactly put any thoughts to it, but let's see how it goes.
White, pure, zero, whatever. Good. Oh yeah, the sugary punch one. I like that. Let's go crazy.
Hey.
What, the organic?
Oh, Jeffrey, he's doing the organic one. He's mixing
fuck.
the organic
Hey,
one with
you're
it.
doing that too. I'm making one for you.
So I don't
No,
know.
the ginger is
I
done.
mix some shit
Yeah.
together and
I'm done too. Go ahead.
Am I?
I gotta
Try
try
it out.
later. Realize.
Is that this gonna help you to be focused on the
No,
road?
I'll be jittery.
Hoorah!
Ah!
Hoorah!
Oh yeah!
He's like, ooh.
Thank you guys
Yeah!
so much for watching. If you liked, please eat our asses.